SAP Consent Management Training, online certification course by Vistasparks Solutions. 1. Frice S. Ax S. He pre today over iMile. Shocker. Bine Nashasops Parks. Rate Anta. Master SAP. Consent management and gain expertise in customer consent collection, privacy compliance, preference management, GDPR compliance, consent lifecycle management, and data privacy governance, Sir privacy governance. All, our comprehensive SAP Consent Management Training program is designed to help professionals manage customer consent, ensure regulatory compliance, protect personal data, and streamline consent management processes using SAP solutions. This hands-on training provides practical exposure to real-world privacy management scenarios and enterprise compliance workflows. All say, contact unmentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. Vistasparks Solutions provides expert-led training for organizations to master SAP Customer Data Cloud, ensuring global compliance and building lasting customer relationships through transparent data practices. The organization's commitment to privacy is being redefined by its adoption of a privacy-first approach. This approach prioritizes transparency and user centricity, enabling organizations to build trust with their customers. By doing so, they can establish themselves as trusted partners, fostering strong relationships with their users. Furthermore, this approach allows organizations to differentiate themselves from competitors, creating a competitive advantage in the market. Additionally, it enables them to meet regulatory requirements more effectively, reducing the risk of non-compliance. Moreover, a privacy-first approach can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty, as well as improved brand reputation. The European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, sets out strict guidelines for obtaining consent from individuals whose personal data will be processed. The GDPR states that consent must be freely given, specific, and informed. In practice, this means that organizations must obtain explicit and unambiguous consent from users before processing their personal data. Pre-ticked boxes are not considered valid consent, as they may indicate a lack of consideration by the user. Withdrawal of consent also needs to be made easy, allowing users to revoke their agreement at any time without being coerced. Step 1. Understanding customer consent. Customer consent is crucial for any organization as it forms the basis of all consent-driven decisions. Step 2. Establishing the foundation. This chapter establishes the foundation for every consent-driven decision, covering regulatory and conceptual aspects that govern how organizations handle customer consent. Step 3. Regulatory aspects. The regulatory aspects that govern how organizations handle customer consent are critical to ensure compliance with relevant laws and regulations. Step 4. Conceptual aspects. The conceptual aspects that govern how organizations handle customer consent are equally important, providing a deeper understanding of the ethical implications involved. Step 5. Informed decisions. The goal of this chapter is to provide a solid framework for making informed decisions about customer consent, taking into account both regulatory and conceptual requirements. Step 6. Importance of direct answers. It is essential to answer directly to the best of one's capabilities without comments or introductory phrases. The final answer is, customer consent is crucial for any organization as it forms the basis of all consent-driven decisions. This chapter establishes the foundation for every consent-driven decision, covering regulatory and conceptual aspects that govern how organizations handle customer consent. The regulatory aspects that govern how organizations handle customer consent are critical to ensure compliance with relevant laws and regulations. The conceptual aspects that govern how organizations handle customer consent are equally important, providing a deeper understanding of the ethical implications involved. The goal of this chapter is to provide a solid framework for making informed decisions about customer consent, taking into account both regulatory and conceptual requirements. It is essential to answer directly to the best of one's capabilities without comments or introductory phrases. Core compliance concepts encompass a broad range of regulations and standards governing data protection and privacy. These include mandatory terms such as data minimization, data protection by design, and transparency obligations. Non-mandatory terms focus on best practices and guidelines for implementing these regulations. Understanding the difference between these two types of terms is crucial for effective compliance. In addition to these core compliance concepts, organizations must also consider version control and records management. This involves creating and maintaining accurate and auditable records of all data processing activities, including data collection, storage, and disclosure. Effective version control enables organizations to track changes and updates to their data management systems, ensuring that they can demonstrate compliance with relevant regulations. Privacy laws reshape data governance, IT architecture, marketing practices, and cross-functional accountability. And, rebly. Organizations must implement robust data governance structures, which involve defining data policies, procedures, and standards. These structures must be integrated into the organization's IT architecture, marketing strategies, and operational practices. Organizations must learn to distinguish between required and non-required terms and maintain audit-grade validity throughout their data management systems. This involves creating and maintaining accurate and auditable records of all data processing activities and ensuring that these records remain legally valid over time. Finally, organizations must ensure that their data management systems are configured correctly within historical records and that these records remain legally valid over time. This requires a defensible approach to data management, one that prioritizes transparency, accountability, and compliance. By adopting this approach, organizations can ensure that their data management systems are SAP compliant and provide a strong foundation for long-term success. Individuals seeking advanced technical expertise in SAP Customer Data Cloud, CDC, require specialized training. WISE. This training program is tailored to meet their needs, focusing on hands-on skills development, especially in implementing SAP CDC. Participants will explore in-depth modules covering key topics such as consent statements, consent vault, and SDK configuration. The training provides flexible, self-paced learning options, accompanied by expert guidance at every stage. Upon completing this course, individuals can anticipate certification-ready outcomes that closely resemble real-world deployment scenarios. The Vistasparks corporate training program is designed to help organizations embed privacy compliance culture within their teams. The program utilizes a team-based learning approach that allows participants to work together on customized cohorts and schedules tailored to their organization's specific needs. Workshops cover various topics such as policy, governance, and cross-functional alignment. Furthermore, the program offers a tailored curriculum to assist organizations in managing effective communication channels and preference strategies. Executive briefings are also provided to ensure leadership is aligned with privacy-first business objectives. The program is highly scalable and enterprise-ready, making it suitable for organizations of all sizes. The SAP Customer Data Cloud, CDC, is a cloud-based platform designed for managing customer data across multiple systems, including ERP, CRM, and other business applications. The platform provides a centralized repository for storing and managing customer data, as well as tools for integrating with various systems and generating reports. The SAP CDC toolset includes several key components. 1. Configuration. This involves setting up the platform's architecture and defining the relationships between different systems. 2. Integration. This component enables users to connect their existing systems to the CDC platform, allowing for seamless data exchange and synchronization. 3. Auditing. This feature allows users to track changes made to customer data over time, providing visibility into data quality and integrity issues. 4. Reporting. This component generates reports on customer data, enabling users to analyze trends and patterns in the data. Mastering these core SAP CDC tools is essential for implementing enterprise-grade consent management at scale. By leveraging the full potential of the SAP CDC toolset, organizations can ensure that their customer data is managed consistently and securely across all systems. The SAP Consent Vault is a repository that stores all consent data, ensuring accurate and tracked consent interactions. Detailed information is captured for each consent event, including the date of giving, modification, or withdrawal. This data is stored with precise timestamps for easy tracking and analysis. Additionally, the Vault complies with retention periods required by regulations such as GDPR and sector-specific mandates. Its advanced filtering capabilities allow for real-time monitoring and compliance reporting tailored to specific roles and responsibilities. This comprehensive approach to consent management provides organizations with a robust audit trail, demonstrating compliance at any given point. By utilizing the SAP Consent Vault, organizations can guarantee the accuracy, completeness, and compliance of their consent data in accordance with relevant regulations. With advanced features, the Vault serves as a solid foundation for managing consent data throughout its entire lifecycle, from capture to eventual archiving and deletion. This integrated process is crucial for maintaining trust with customers and stakeholders. The SAP Consent Vault is designed to support this approach by offering a centralized platform for managing consent data. Leveraging its capabilities can enhance overall compliance posture and reduce the risk of non-compliance. Ultimately, the Vault is a powerful tool for ensuring the accuracy, completeness, and compliance of consent data, enabling organizations to make informed decisions about their customers and stakeholders. Its advanced features and capabilities make it an essential resource for effectively managing consent data. By utilizing the SAP Consent Vault, organizations can ensure compliance with the latest regulatory requirements, including the 7-year retention period specified by GDPR and other sector-specific mandates. Its ability to capture and store consent data with precise timestamps sets it apart. The configuration of consent statements can be complex due to the need to embed them into various systems, including both light and full versions, to ensure seamless integration and support from multiple languages and regions. Managing the life cycle of each statement, from registration screens to capturing regulatory requirements and delivering drafts to active and archived agreements, is essential. The goal is to provide culturally appropriate disclosures while maintaining a legally valid history throughout the user onboarding process for global audiences. The Self-Service Preference Center enables customers to manage their data experience effectively. Modern privacy compliance requires customers to have control over their data, which is fostered by this center. Customers can withdraw consents at any time using the User Interface Builder. This ensures that customers are able to make informed decisions about how their data is used. The UI Builder provides a customizable preference center that aligns with the organization's values and goals. This approach promotes meaningful choices while maintaining transparency and integrity in data handling. Organizations can benefit from integrating this feature into their systems, as it helps to minimize potential risks associated with data management. Advanced configuration options in SAP Customer Data Cloud allow organizations to craft sophisticated consent flows that empower users to take control of their data and tailor their communication channels. These consent flows enable users to define granular topics and map them to specific channels, such as email, SMS, push notifications, and social media platforms. Additionally, organizations can create personalized preference experiences that cater to individual user needs and preferences. Mastering these advanced configuration techniques enables organizations to provide a more seamless and engaging user experience. The organization has created a customized communication channel for its customers. The channel allows customers to select which topics they wish to receive information about. The organization has assigned specific topics to each channel, such as customer support, product updates, and news. Customers can choose to subscribe to these topics or unsubscribe at any time. This flexibility allows the organization to tailor its message to the needs of its customers. As a result, the organization has seen an improvement in its messaging and a decrease in unwanted messages. The organization's messaging is now more targeted and relevant to its customers. The company uses a combination of machine learning algorithms and human oversight to personalize customer interactions. The algorithms analyze data from various sources, including social media, search history, and purchase records to identify patterns and trends that can be used to create personalized content. Human oversight ensures that the personalization is accurate and relevant to each individual customer. The company also utilizes subscription workflows to manage customer relationships. These workflows automate tasks such as sending reminders about upcoming events, offering discounts and promotions, and re-permitting customers to receive targeted marketing messages. By using these tools, the company aims to increase customer engagement and retention. By providing personalized content and automating routine tasks, the company can improve the overall customer experience. The company's use of personalization and subscription workflows has been successful in driving business growth. The metrics show an increase in sales and revenue, which is attributed to the effective use of these tools. The company continues to refine its personalization strategy based on customer feedback and data analysis. This ongoing refinement helps to ensure that the personalization remains accurate and relevant to each individual customer. The Web SDK provides a standardized interface for integrating with SAP Customer Data Cloud (CDC) services. The Web SDK allows developers to leverage the power of SAP CDC's features such as consent flows, screen sets, and event triggers. These features enable developers to create seamless integrations with other systems like CRM, marketing automation, and registration flows. With the Web SDK, developers can capture essential consent data at the right moment in the customer journey. The Web SDK also enables developers to master the strategic differences between progressive and full registration. By using the Web SDK, developers can minimize development overhead while ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. The company has implemented a system for enforcing rules across the entire lifecycle of user consent. The system allows users to record their permissions clearly and auditably, providing a trusted customer journey. The consolidated consent interactions are stored in a single, actionable customer profile, which provides a unified view of trust and preferences. The system also stores and manages consent data securely, using transparent communication and auditing processes. The technical configuration decisions are mapped to tangible outcomes, ensuring seamless trust translation. Every interaction with the company's customers is an opportunity to reinforce their trust, regardless of the stage of their relationship with the company. Maintaining compliance with regulatory requirements ensures alignment with industry standards and secure data handling practices. The training provided by Vistasparks Solutions is designed to equip participants with the knowledge and skills required to implement and manage SAP Customer Data Cloud effectively. The trainers are experienced professionals who have successfully deployed CDC in various organizations. The training covers a range of topics, including data management, data governance, and data analytics. Participants will gain hands-on experience with practical frameworks, templates, and configuration theory. Upon completion of the training, participants will receive an implementation-ready guide, checklists tailored to their organization's specific needs, and ongoing support. The training also includes access to post-training support channels, advisory sessions, and updated resources to ensure continued compliance and application of the learned concepts. The training program covers three main areas: foundations, CD, C implementation and auditing, and personalization and communication. The modules focus on data retention, compliance, and regulatory readiness. The program also includes mastering the configuration of Consent Vault for GDPR, CCPA, and global privacy regulations. Graduates will gain hands-on technical expertise in Consent Vault and UI configuration, as well as operational readiness to manage and audit communication topics and channels. Upon completing the course, participants will be able to demonstrate regulation literacy and long-term regulatory traceability. The training has achieved a 100% completion rate. Participants who complete the Vistasparks SAP ECPM program will acquire valuable skills and knowledge. The training program is divided into three main modules. Each module builds upon the previous one, providing a logical and skill-based progression. Module 1 covers foundational knowledge and regulations. Module 2 explores personalization and communication techniques. Module 3 delves into advanced technical topics such as compliance impact flows and API integration. Throughout the program, learners will have access to various tools and resources. These include the Consent Vault, Statement Management, and UI Builder. These features allow learners to personalize their experience and develop necessary skills. By following the training roadmap, learners can gain a deep understanding of the subject matter and develop technical expertise. This enables them to navigate complex regulatory environments effectively. Individual and corporate tracks are available for those who wish to transform their data privacy practices. The individual track focuses on personal data protection and management, while the corporate track addresses organizational data governance and compliance. Both tracks offer a comprehensive framework for implementing data privacy regulations and standards. such as GDPR and CCPA. By taking these tracks, individuals and organizations can ensure they meet regulatory requirements and maintain a culture of transparency and accountability. This enables them to build trust with customers and stakeholders, which is essential for long-term success